As part of the nationwide protest jail borough movement announced by various central trade unions, the trade unions of Udupi district staged a jail borough to protest against the anti-people policies being pursued by the central and state governments. Various trade unions staged jail borough near the head post office Udupi. The protesters complaining that both the union and the Karnataka state governments were ignoring continued demands by the unorganized sector and the common citizens. The union government, in contrast, has sold the investment market to foreigners and ruined the poor Indians, they added. Objecting to introduction of foreign direct investment in retail, the protesters demanded implementation of minimum wage, provident fund, bonus, ESI and other schemes in both public and private sectors to ensure security of job of the workers. All workers should be given BPL ration cards. They demanded to check on the price rise against disinvestment of public sector undertakings, implementation of labor laws and social security for unorganized sector workers, creating a proper job policy, fixed monthly salary for more than Rs 10,000 for workers of the organized and unorganized sector and increment in the gratuity. The trade unions including AITUC, CITU, BMS, AIIEA, AIBEA, BSNL Bank and insurance employees took part in the jail borough.
ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಜನರು ಸಹ ಏನೇ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ವೇತನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಪಾದನೆ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮುಷ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, ಈ ಜೈಲು ಬರೋ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಕೇವಲ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋರಾಟವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾದ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇರೋದು ಬೆಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈ ಬೆಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರುವಂತ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನೀತಿಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ದಿನದಿಂದ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲೆಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದನ್ನ ರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 4 kg, ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 8 kg, 5 ಜನ ಆದ್ರೆ 20 kg, 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ 20 kg. ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ವರ್ಗದ ಐಕ್ಯತೆ ಚಿರಾಯುವಾಗಲಿ. ಉದ್ಯೋಗಾವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಲು ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಜಂಟಿ ಸಮಿತಿಗೆ ಜಯವಾಗಲಿ.
P. Vishwanath Rai, Dogu Suvarna, K. V. Bhatt, K. Balagangadhar Rao, U. Gurudat, U. Shivaraya, Shashidhar Golla, Balakrishna Shetty, Shripati Acharya and others were present. A curious case having complained to the police against his teachers has been reported. Sampath, a student of 2nd standard in a local school Koltige in Puttur Taluk, was spotted sitting and moving around in an earth-moving equipment with its driver. His teachers Pushpavati and Mailappa called him and cautioned him about the hazards involved in it. Dr. B.Y. Patil, head of the English Department of Postgraduate Studies at the Alwas College, Mudbidri, has been honoured by the Global Society for Health and Educational Growth, New Delhi, with the top national level Bharat Shiksha Ratan Award. Once again, the main headlines. Nothing will happen today. This solution a hawk scheme. Greenathon on January 20th, 2013, marathon run 5 and 10 kilometers. Jail borough took strongly in Udupi, trade unions jointly protested. This is all in this edition. For more news, keep watching V4 News 24/7, or you may also log on to www.v4news.com.